Hello, this is a course on engineering thermodynamics and I am the instructor. My name is Professor Jayant Kumar Singh. I am in the Department of Chemical Engineering at IIT Kanpur. I will be assisted by two teaching assistant, Mr. Manish Maurya and Ms. Parul Katiyar. They are both the PhD student of Department of Chemical Engineering at IIT Kanpur. So, this course objectives are basically to introduce the most important engineering principles, that is on thermodynamics, okay. And thermodynamics is nothing but the science of energy and its transformation from one form to another form. It is also the branch of physical science concerned with equilibrium in material systems and the changes that occur as a result of the interaction with other systems. So, you can generalize thermodynamics as a science dealing with energy and its transformation, feasibility of a process and equilibrium process, and thus it is widely thus the subject is widely applicable in several branches of engineering and sciences. So, the objective of this course is to introduce systematic different tools needed to analyze energy system from various daily lives to large scale engineering applications. Okay. So, based on these concepts of different tools, we will be able to analyze some of the questions and just to introduce some relevant questions. So, we will be able to ask, for example, I address this question that how much work is needed to compress a gas, okay, at a particular temperature and pressure. Will a certain liquid vaporize? Is a certain process feasible? You can quantify the processes based on the thermodynamics analysis, whether it is feasible or not. How one can examine performance of engineering devices, the devices which you use in household applications or some other applications, you can quantify its performance in terms of efficiency. How much energy is required to carry out a reaction? Okay. Utilizing the concepts of thermodynamics, we can extend it for power generation and refrigeration, and based on this understanding we can address what is the heat requirement for thermal power plants and IC engines. We can also calculate the efficiency of an actual power plant and suggest improvements. And thus, based on understanding of thermodynamics and basic understanding of energy balance and its transformations, efficiency related to that, we can extend to many different applications of daily lives and engineering applications. And you can, and thus this course hopefully will illustrate many ways to understand energy and various forms of energy and its utility for engineering applications. So, I welcome you to join us in this endeavor. Thank you for listening.